guys, this is part 3. Because I don't know if I'm stopping the video. I don't think I am. I think what's really happening is I'm running low on storage. And Marcy, you're saying that. I actually only have one picture on here that, like, is a keep. It's so funny. I need to keep it.
Yes. You want me to show you all my playhouse?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the playhouse fell over after we moved it out here. It used to be at my great-grandma's, but then for some reason, after that Hurricane Harvey and everything, we had to move it out here because it got kind of wrecked, and then I fixed it back up and turned it into like a little playhouse thing.
Oh.
Like it was on its side, and I couldn't lift it because I don't have the tractor. So what I do is I put a few pieces of wood here, a window here, because there's an old broken...
Is it still usable?
Yeah.
Or is it broken?
What, the window?
No, has like it fallen over?
It's fallen over, but it's not completely broken.
Oh, me and my friend Payne could probably fix it up. I could probably fix it up now. All I need is probably like a screwdriver and a hammer. That's what we used
And a tractor just to flip it back up.
Me and Peyton, we took apart his playground. All we needed was a hammer, a couple of nails. Wait, no, we didn't need any nails. We just needed. Oh, hey.
It's this.
What was that?
Oh, I also have a swing if you want to try that out.
Ooh, cool.
Right there. And y'all can see me do archery. Almost. Y'all want to see me do archery?
I see a swing.
I can show you my archery skills.
Is that swing hanging from a tree?
Yeah. Okay, y'all want to see the inside of my grandpa's house or my... Ooh, yes, his tomatoes are ripe. You like tomatoes?
No.
Okay, I'm going to eat one.
That is not a full tomato. Unless they're like the tiniest tomatoes in the world.
Tiniest tomatoes in the world are called cherry tomatoes.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot.
You want to wash your hands or what?
What was that?
That was this.
Where's your playground? Ah! What the heck is that?
He's moving at us.
No, he just started running towards us. Stop it.
He's a baby cow. If we do anything, like we could even walk towards him slower than a snail, he'll jump away. Come on.
He just started running towards us. Oh.
This is the old broken down office that I used to replace.
Wait.
Stuff from that to replace.
Oh, this is your playhouse.
My grandpa kind of took this and threw it up here, so I don't know. And then he put some of those on the ground in there, so.
I could probably fix something up.
Come in here.
Yeah, it did flip over. You see the bars up there.
Yeah. It used to be where I would climb up, and it would be really...
So that RV you're allowed to take apart?
Yeah. I could literally take the motor out of that thing and turn a cardboard box into a car. Not really.
You want to keep taking this apart?
Oh, bird nest.
Noise. Wait, Marcy, you want to get some tools? Like screwdriver, and if you have it, electric drill?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Some nails and a hammer?
I have an idea. We could do a DIY. I know how to do it too.
I could fix your place up.
We could do that. Or we could make like these walking sticks. You know that one that I used to close the vent? I made that like that myself.
Oh, you did? Let's just fix up your playground.
All right.
So, all I need is a electric drill.
I hope my grandpa Grandpa kept the barn locked. I don't think he did because he hasn't been there, so we can't do that.
Darn it.
But we can go in the house and see, because I know there's a hammer in there.
Oi.
I'm Zeusy and I'm Bullet.
Oi.
Okay, the house is kind of broken down. You want to go upstairs or come down here? Because it's nice and cool down here. Here, let me turn on the light.